My name is Tunde Oloyede, aka Bishop of London. I flew into Nigeria because of this program, African Youth Tourism Festival, just for us to celebrate our youth. I was there yesterday when the whole thing begins. In present with us yesterday was Honorable Minister of Tourism, Nigeria, and a lot of people were here yesterday. Today I'm here. We have a lot of shows, presentations today, and tomorrow also I will be here till Saturday when we'll be having the last day. So all I want to tell each and everyone out there is to come and celebrate with us. It's a festival thing, 2024, in progress. Please, if you look around, you see how youths are here, dancing, marrying. So be part of them to come and celebrate with them. Thank you all. Thank you. Bye.